I failed my first attempt at the PL300 exam and it was a wake up call. But guess what? On my second attempt, I passed. If you're preparing for PL300 or struggling with it, stick around because I'm going to tell you exactly what I did differently the second time that made all the difference. And trust me, these tips can help you too. Section 1, practice questions. The first major change I made was doing a lot more practice questions. I used the PL300 app and the Measure website. Both links are in the description. These practice questions help me understand the exam pattern, the tricky wordings, and what Microsoft expects in the answers. It wasn't just about memorizing answers, but understanding the concepts behind them. Section 2, hands-on practice. Next, I actually started using Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service hands-on. And this was a game changer. The PL300 exam is filled with case study based questions where you have to understand the steps involved in solving problems. By working directly in Power BI, I got comfortable with tools and it became second nature to navigate through different features. If you're just reading theory, trust me, it's not enough. Hands on practice is a must. Section 3, visualizations knowledge. Another mistake I made in my first attempt, not focusing enough on different visualization that Power BI has. The exam asks how different charts work. For example, do you know how the key influence chart in Power BI works? If not, you might get stuck on questions around it. This time, I made sure to go through most of the visualizations option in Power BI and understand when and why to use them and how it is important. This made a huge difference. Section 4, take the exam seriously. Lastly, don't take this exam lightly, especially if you are not from a technical background like computer science. The PL300 exam requires a lot of preparation, and I understand and I underestimated it the first time. If you are coming from a non-tech background, allocate enough time to study, practice, and really get hands-on with Power BI. That's what helped me finally pass. So, if you're preparing for PL300, focus on these key areas. Practice a lot, do hands on work in Power BI, understand visualizations, and take it seriously. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Skill Double for more tips on certifications and data analytics. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Good luck with your exam, and I will see you in the next video.